welcome to Indira's World. Now don't tell me you don't have funny things left in the fridge that you need to use up. Hence the new concept, rollover with leftovers. And here's what I found in my fridge. I found an onion, which I've minced, a bunch of parsley, some garlic, leftover rice, and some chicken that I've boiled and minced. Now this can be minced beef, it can be anything you want. And for the vegans, of course, corn, plant-based, whatever. I found some pasta sauce in my larder, and that's gone in here, and a cabbage which I had boiled and taken the leaves apart. So let's go on and put that together. Okay, so first and foremost, let's put some oil in there. So I'm going to put, since this is a leftover stuff, it's what you find in there. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of oil, and my one onion that I found in there is all chopped up, minced actually, should I say. A tablespoon of garlic, and I found some parsley. So I've got to use some for the top and some for the filling. Parsley pops in there. Now let's get rid of that raw smell. That's important because there's nothing worse than raw onion and raw garlic taste in anything. Well, in a salad it's all right, or dressing, but otherwise it's not so nice, is it? Okay, now, as I said, I found some chicken in the fridge, which I boiled and minced, but you can use anything you want. Beef, lamb, pork, even combine beef and pork, that works. Now, all that going in there rather happily. And I am going to season that with salt, and some pepper. And there you go. Salt and pepper. That's ready to have a wee bit of rice in there. So I'm putting in, now here again, because it's leftovers, you proportion it as you want. You may want more meats, less meats, it's up to you. Now, here we have a filling. Now, if you want to season it with more fun stuff, you can always add in tomato, you know, spring onions, whatever you like. I'm keeping it pretty simple because I have this pasta sauce lying around. So I'm going to fill up some boiled cabbage leaves, which I've boiled in, just that's it, peeled it across, and we're going to stuff that in. Let's do that now, and then I'm going to pour the pasta sauce on, and it's going to bake. So simple as that. Now here I have it, my cabbage leaf. That's a very pretty one, isn't it? And my filling. So I'm going to take a nice generous lot of this filling. Like I said, you can even add cheese and stuff into it. It's up to you. Leftovers, needless to say. Always fun. Now, we just roll it over. So I'm going to make a little parcel, a cabbage parcel out of this. And in it goes. How nice does that look, eh? Now, another one. They're quite filling, don't forget, so you don't need to, I mean, as long as you fill them up nice and, there you go. Get rid of that. And again, a nice little parcel there. If you fold the sides over so they don't spill out, you get a slightly neater parcel in there. There you go. There. I think I've got enough for one more, so we can do that one. And again. Let's pop that in. And roll, roll, roll. Roll over leftovers. Now, there we have it. Now, as I said, I had pasta sauce. We all have pasta sauce in the larder, right? And so I have actually stuff that I made up a little bit more and added to it. So tomato, garlic, olives in olive oil. I'm going to pop that over, and some parsley, and that's going into the oven and baking. Now you can put cheese on top of that or breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs are really nice because it goes all crisp and happy. I'm going to put that on, but don't want that to burn, so I'm just going to mush that in. You can always add some more of that. Since I've got it, I may as well use it. And there you have it. That's going into the oven. All set. And there we have it, our rollover leftover. Now that is definitely a full meal in one, because you've got your rice, you've got your chicken in there, all the herbs and so on, and your vegetable, of course, the cabbage. So enjoy that if you do try it. In case you haven't followed me on Indira's World, please do, and give me a like. I'll see you next time.